My name is Julian, and I'm over here at Texano Auto Sales, and I got an offer for you guys that you might not be able to refuse. We offer various payment plans, a lot of payment plans specifically for your vehicle. So my nephews and nieces, we got trucks, we got sedans, we even got SUVs catered to your needs, especially if you're on with family by yourself. Now through there, if you were to buy a vehicle from one of us, you will be with one of us. You will be in the Texano family. You even get your own vanity plate that says welcome to the Texano family. You can feel free to visit us at 1252 Industrial Boulevard here in Gainesville, Georgia. Zip code is 0501. Now remember, if you want more information about the family or any other vehicles that we will use, you can actually feel free to look at the descriptions for every vehicle in our lot. You can go to www.texanoautosales.com. Now remember this. Usted puede ser parte de nuestra familia Texano Auto Sales.